everyone, it is Lorena Bina here with my co-host Lily, my cat, who wanted to be a part of this. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install mods for your worlds. I have two different ways of doing this. I have my old way and then my new way. Sorry, she's... Anyway, so I'm going to start with my old way. I don't use this anymore because I find it time-taking, but some people prefer this option, so I'm going to teach it anyway. So you're going to go to your web browser and you're going to search up Java. And you want this thing right here, Java Oracle. So then it's going to take you to this page and you're going to hit download Java, which will then take you to this page, and then you're going to hit download Java again. And once it downloads, you want to make sure that you hit open file and download it. So let me just pull that up real quick. Yep. Open file, install, and then we can move on to the next step. So now that you have it downloaded and installed, you want to go, you can either start with getting Forge or you can start with getting mods. So we're going to start with mods. So you're going to go to Curseforge. I'll show the main app. My cat, I think, is stepping on my thing. So Curseforge. What is going on? Curseforge. Hold on. Lily, what are you doing? Come here. I'm sorry. You're going to have to sit in my lap. Curseforge. Which it automatically takes me to this mod, but we're going to start on the home page. Okay, so on the Curseforge homepage, you can choose from any games that you want to play, that you want to mod. I only do modded Minecraft. I don't really work on other things. But then you can work on searching up your mod. So we're going to go back to the biomes. You'll go, because that's one of my favorites. It's right here. Now, when picking out your mods that you're going to play with, you have to consider that not all mods are updated to the same update. So this one is only updated to 1.19.4, and I don't know what version we're in right now for actual Minecraft. I think it's 1.20.2 or something. I don't know. I don't look at it because most of the time I just play modded Minecraft and it's not all the way updated to the newest versions. So again, you have to look at what versions your mods are under and also what kind of mod loader they need. Some use Forge, some use gosh, I can't think of the other ones. Let's look. Files. Oh, this one only uses Forge. Let's do McCall's files. Some use Fabric. There's other ones too that are out there, but you have to know that you need the same version and the same mod loader to use those mods. Forge is better in my opinion. I don't really use Fabric all that often. I don't feel like there's as much you can do with Fabric, but that's just my personal opinion. So let's go back to the biomes you'll go. And so once you have your version, I'm going to choose the latest version. You're going to click on one of the files and you're going to hit download. And then you also want to know that some mods require certain dependencies in order to be used. Sometimes they're optional, but for this kind of mod, all of these are required, that you also need to download them to the same version. So that I think they would all need to be in 1.19.4. for that to work. So once they're all downloaded, then you are going to want to go, let me pull up a new thing. You're going to want to go into your search bar along your hotbar, and you're going to want to type in run. It is a system thing. Which then should pull up this little thing. Which, hold on. If I expand it, should pull up this little box in your left bottom corner. You're going to want to do %appdata% and hit OK. And then that should then bring up this, which is your data for your apps. You're going to want to go to .minecraft and then mods, which will show all your mods. Oh, that was weird. You are also then going to want to open another file which has your downloads. Sorry, my cat is moving across my computer and it's making it all the troublesome, but I love her too much to kick her off my desk. So you're going to want to have your downloads open at the same time as your files. And you're just going to want to move from the mods that are downloaded into the mods folder. So like just grab them and drop them. Just click on it and hold down your left button and drop it into the mods folder. And then when you're done clicking and dropping, you're going to want to close at least the mods folder, but you can close both. You don't really need both open when you're done. So once you're done adding your mods to your mods folder, you're going to want to then look up Forge, in which you're going to click this one, minecraftforge.net, downloads for Minecraft Forge, in which you then need to install the same version of Minecraft that your mods work on. So I chose 1.19.4. That's the Minecraft version I then need to download. And you can download either the recommended or the latest. We're going to go with the latest this time. When you're on this page, do not click a thing. The only thing you're going to want to click is this button after 5 seconds. You have to wait 5 seconds. But just click the skip button after 5 seconds, and then it should download the version you need. You're going to hit open file once that version is downloaded. And then it should pop up. 1 second. It should pop up with a page that looks like this. This should work if you have Java installed. If you don't, then it won't work. So Java is definitely an important first step before you download Forge. You're going to hit OK, and then it's going to start the downloading process of downloading the mods. Of downloading the Minecraft version of Forge. Once it's done, the window should go away, and you can then open Minecraft after you've added your mods to your Minecraft folder, you've downloaded the Forge, downloaded Java. Now you can open Minecraft. Okay, so now that you have Minecraft loaded up, you're going to go down here and it should appear right there. It should be called Forge 1.19.4. You don't need to go here. I don't think you need to do anything with that. So yeah, now that you have it, you want to click on it, and then you can just hit play, and your mods that you have installed, put in your folder, done everything, done all that hard work, you can load up your game, and as long as all the compatibilities and everything is added, you should be good to go, and you can play your game and enjoy. Okay, so now we get to go to my new way of doing it. Give me 1 second. Which is this. So, I have downloaded the Curseforge app, which allows me to create my own mod packs. I can even browse some that have been created, like RLCraft, which is popular, or Better MC, and I can install those. So this is the way I like to do it. People can also send me mod packs that they want to use to play with me. So on here, I just have to hit create. I'm going to give it a name. You choose the version again, and the mods still have to be for that version. So we've used 1.19.4, so that's what we're going to continue to use. And you're going to hit create. Now that it's open, it's installing. We got to wait for it to install, but we can add more content. This will pull up all of the mods that are for 1.19.4. It's right there. So that way it filters it for you. You don't have to go looking. If you search something up and it's not showing up, that means that it does not have a file that is for that version of Minecraft. And luckily, I like this because when you install like just enough items, or let's go install the biomes, you'll go. So remember how we needed those 3 dependencies? If I hit install, it will install those dependencies for me, so I don't have to go do the work of looking them up and picking out the files. They're already there. It knows what it needs and will install it for me. The optional ones, I don't think it does that, but anything that is required for that mod to work, it will do the work for you. And you can add more stuff, whatever you need to do, whatever you want for your game to be how you want it to be with mods. That's how you do it. And once you're done, then you're going to hit play. It says Minecraft is already running, but it's not. It's just because I shut it down just recently. And then it'll load up. You gotta wait for the little armadillo. But look, then you've got the mod pack name, and it'll have the Forge version, and when you hit play, your mods will all be there. You don't have to move them. This is the easier way, in my opinion. You can just download the Curseforge app by going to the Curseforge website, and then you just hit get Curseforge app and then download. I don't know what Overwolf is, but I think I just did the standalone. And then create an account, and you're good. You're all set. You know how to do mods now. Congratulations. I hope you have fun. If you need any other help, or there was something that I did not make clear enough, or something you're struggling with, leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I will work towards helping you resolve your problems. And I hope you have fun. Anyway, see y'all next time. Bye-bye!